Chairman Wheezer, members of this chamber would like to inquire about the whereabouts of these alleged or otherwise WMDs in the Iraqi area.
I told you, I don't know anything. And Powell told me not to say anything. And that Pops is over there right now looking for Saddam. And
Wait. Pops is in Iraq right now? As in my Pops?
yeah, why?
Poppy Actual, this is Tiger One. I got good news and I got bad news for you.
Okay.
Good news is I got your boy Saddam here waiting for you. Well, bad news is, be advised, I need rope. Fucker's in a hole. Deep hole.
Well, bring him out of the hole and then bring him to me. Oh, yes. Oh, good show.
That's not good. Well, never mind that. We've been in Iraq a really long time, Chairman. With all due respect, if there are weapons, why haven't we found them?
Well,
Can you give us any solidifiable evidence that there's anything of concern in Saddam's arsenal?
Maybe the WMDs were the friends and the memories that we made along the way.
Okay. Not good enough. Send him to the third rail. Yeah, that's where you're going. Bye-bye. No. Shut up.
Please.
Shut up. I'll let you kill this bitch ass.